Hi dear students, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. And guys, in this session I have consolidated or handpicked 10 questions, and those 10 questions include all chapters: phase diagram, permeability, seepage, consolidation, shallow foundation, deep foundation, vertical stress below soil. All chapters I have taken on those 10 questions with the help of MSQs. Okay, so guys, lot of MSQs will be there out of 10 questions. And guys, whenever I say this many times, then of course the ISRO paper, BARC paper, engineering services prelims paper, also HPCL paper in context or in comparison with GATE is relatively less conceptual. Okay, of course in GATE exam for one question you will be getting 3 minutes. In other exams, even including engineering service prelims, you got for one question around 40 seconds, 50 seconds, or in some paper 60 seconds. So of course the GATE will be tougher, because for every one question, not 50, not 60 seconds, it is providing you 180 seconds. Okay, so these 10 questions will be difficult. That is why the cutoff is also 5. If you are scoring 5 out of these 10 questions, then your preparation for soil mechanics is in the correct direction. Those who are new here, let me tell you about myself. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi in geotechnical engineering. Okay, I have done my MTech specialization in geotech only, which right now we are going on. Got all India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. Guys, you can join my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. We are more than 5,600 students have already joined. Okay. Now guys, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir, guys. And in the description video of every video in description of every video, suppose I talk of this video only, in the description box you will be getting a link like this. Okay, this blue color link and Abhinav Negi ke aage this kind of symbol and a link will be there. If you want to download our app and get the PYQs of GATE, PYQs of ESC, PYQs of HPCL, ISRO, of course the notes as well, then you can download our app and you can download the app from here. Okay. Now guys, this is OCF series. The complete OCF is going on. We have done these. Now tomorrow I will be going on the width contraction. In this series, complete OCF I am teaching, exactly like paid course, complete OCF. Okay, so you can come at 3:30 PM on the app, guys. 3:30 PM on the app. Okay, shall we begin with the first question, guys? Put a thumbs up. Put a thumbs up on the comment section. Every one of you. Come on, guys. Please put a thumbs up on the comment section. Shall we move forward? Everybody, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Shall we go forward? Ready, guys? And guys, please, if you want to take the maximum benefit of this session, I recommend you all, I recommend you all, guys, so please take the copy, rough copy, pen and calculator. Okay, the questions will be literally challenging, guys. The questions will be literally challenging. That is why I have not, like ISRO HPCL mock test, I have not taken 80% cutoff, 70% cutoff. If you are scoring the 5 questions out of the 10 questions that I am taking here, then guys, your preparation will be in the right direction. And most of those questions are fresh. That means I have never ever taken in any of my previous session or series earlier. All of those questions will be, guys, new, except couple of questions. Okay, let's move with the first question. Let's move with question number 1. Cutoff. Let me write. The cutoff for today is 5 out of 10. Today's cutoff. Okay. Today's cutoff is 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Okay. This is MSQ. Okay. So even if you are giving partially correct answer, please don't count in this. If you put every option correct, then only you will be making it as a 1 count. Okay, partially correct in MSQ will not be treated as correct for this cutoff. Okay, suppose the answer is ABC. You are only thinking AB. That will not be counted as 1. Okay. Now this is the question, guys. Come on. Everyone, let me check that who can give the answer fastest on the comment section. On the y-axis, if I write volume, and in the x-axis I write water content, then the graph for the soil, initially when it is dry, with increase in water content, volume is not changing because air is replaced by water. But when all air is replaced by water, then for further addition with water, volume will change. Okay. Of course, this is called shrinkage limit, WS. This is plastic, after which soil behaves as a plastic. And this is WL, after which soil behaves as a liquid limit. After which soil behaves as a liquid. This is solid state. This is semi-solid. This is plastic. And this is liquid state. In liquid state, the shear strength of all soil is constant, 2.7 kilonewton per meter square. Now the question is in front of you guys. Arvind, okay. Excellent. Come on everyone. Come on my champions. Everyone. What is, guys, a fine grain soil has 60% by weight silt content. This is a fine grain soil. That means in fine grain soil, silt is 60%. Then what is clay? Guys, clay will be 40%. There will be no gravel. There will be no sand. There will be no gravel. There will be no sand because the soil is written as fine grain soil. Because the soil is written as fine grain soil. Okay. So silt is 60, then clay will of course be 40. Soil behaves semi-solid when the water content is from 15 to 28. So soil is from here to here. So this is 15 and this is 28. In between it is semi-solid. Okay, and soil behaves as a fluid, means liquid, when water is more than 40%. So WL is 40%. Now the plasticity index, tell me answer on the comment box, is WL minus WP. So WL is 40 and this is 28. So this is 12. So IP is 12. That means this is correct and this is wrong. Okay. Now moving forward, activity ratio is IP divided by percentage of clay particles. So IP is 12 and percentage of clay particles is 40%. 12 by 40 into 100. Then it will be 0.3. Well, 12 by 40 is equal to 0.3. 12 by 40 is 1 by 9. 12 by percentage of clay particles 40. 12 by 40 is 12 by 40 is 30. Okay, 0.3 into 100. This is this. So answer will be, the correct answer will be C comma D. The correct answer will be C comma D. Give me yes or no. Yes, Pinto, good. Arvind has given P2. Earlier you have only given C. Yes, Chiram, good. Engineering mechanics, yeah, I am not the teacher, but okay, we'll try before the gate, of course. We'll try before the gate. लेते हैं यार. Okay, लेंगे. Okay. Enjoyed this question? Shall we move to the next one now? Okay. So this was question number 1. Answer is CD. Guys, try. Cut off is 5 out of 10. Okay. जब आपके 5 हो जाएं तो मेरे को बताना. Okay. Let me check that who gave 5 earliest. Who can get the 5 answers correct? This is question number 2. Okay. Guys, again I'm telling, this is the volume, this is the water content. Then as I told you just now that up to shrinkage limit volume is constant, because when we are putting water, air is replaced by water, but volume is not changing. Air volume is decreasing, water is increasing. But after a point, with further addition of water, volume starts increasing. Correct? With further addition of water, volume starts increasing. So this is the shrinkage limit. After the soil behaves as plastic, that is plastic limit. After the soil behaves as a liquid, this is liquid limit. Okay. At shrinkage limit, soil is fully saturated. Yes. Here all the air voids are removed. Shrinkage limit is, this is solid, this is semi-solid. This is solid, this is semi-solid. So shrinkage limit concept between semi-solid and solid state. Semi-solid and solid. Yes, absolutely correct. It is the minimum water content at which reduction in water will not cause decrease in volume. No. Absolutely wrong. It is saying that it is the minimum water content at which reduction in water will not cause a decrease. Guys, here also reduction in water, volume is not changing. So this is even lesser than WS. This is also the water content in which reduction of water volume is not changing. So in fact, this is the maximum water content. This is the maximum water content at which with further reduction volume is not changing, not the minimum, because these are various minimum others. So this is the maximum water content with further reduction of water volume is not changing, not the minimum. This is the maximum. And also guys, this is the minimum water content at which soil is saturated. At all these, soil is saturated, no air void. So this is the minimum water content at which soil is saturated, and this is the maximum water content with further reduction of water, there is no volume change. So it is not minimum, is wrong. The shear strength at liquid limit is not same. The shear strength at the plastic limit, the shear strength at the liquid limit is same, and that value is 2.7 kilonewton per meter square. Why only we see the volume shear strength of liquid state 2.7? Why not plastic? Why not semi-solid? Why not solid? Because in this region, solid, semi-solid and plastic, different soils are having different shear strength. But here at the liquid state, nearly all the soils are having the same shear strength. Give me yes or no, everybody, on the comment section. Give me yes or no, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hit it, hit it. Hit it, boy. Come on. Tell me. All of you got it? Shall we move forward? Okay. Shall we move? Till now, how many questions correct? Till now, how many questions correct? Chalo. Till now, how many questions correct? Hanchiram, Arvind, Subhash, Saswat. Okay, thank you, Vinit. Okay, this is question number 3. Again MSQ, guys. Again MSQ for you. Okay. Soil A contains more clay particle or B will contain more clay particle? Which will be, A will contain more clay particle or B? Which is good for foundation? If you are site engineer, after 2 years, after 3 years, if you go to the site and from the lab you got these details. Okay, from the lab you got these details from soil A and B. From the geotechnical lab you get these details, and you have to use only either of these two. Then which soil you will be using? Yes guys, total conceptual question, and I'm quite sure that you will be hitting these questions. Come on champions, everyone. MSQ. Come on, hit them. Please like the session, guys. Everyone out there. Good evening, Shivendra Pratap. How are you, my dear champion? Okay, see. Now, guys, IP of A, plasticity index of A is WL minus WP. So 65 minus 35, that is 30. And IP of B, plasticity index of B is WL minus WP, that is 5. As IP of A is greater than IP of B, IP of A is greater than IP of B. So the which is having more plasticity index is having more clay. Okay, the soil which has more clay is more plastic. Therefore, clay is more in A. Soil A has more plasticity index, 30. So like this. Now guys, see everyone. Now after this total logic here. Liquid limit for soil A. Okay. See, the liquid limit for soil A is 65 and the natural water content is 50%. For soil B, liquid limit is 25 and natural water content is 40. So soil is in liquid state, na? Soil is already in the liquid state here. Soil is already in a liquid state there, having negligible shear strength. Soil is already there in the liquid state here. because that is 25, the liquid limit, and soil is even more, having more water content. It is a liquid state. B will never use B here. Okay, yeah, if the pumping is there allowed, but nothing is written that you can drain off water or you can de-water. Okay, in the questions like in UPSC or in GATE now PSU, that some soil is there in the site which is having a lot of water content, it is in the liquid state, then how you will construct? So the answer will be you have to de-water there first. Okay, and here the liquid limit is 65 and water content is lesser, so it is not in the liquid state at least. Okay, not in the liquid state, so A is better. Soil A will be better. Okay, so the correct answer will be A and B. The correct answer will be A and B. Give me yes or no, everyone. Have you understood? Have you understood, my champions? Everybody, come on. 3 beautiful questions are done, guys. All were MSQs. Done? Done, guys? Put a thumbs up for this beauty questions. Now question number 4, and again MSQ for you guys. Why MSQ? So that we can get more and more concepts plus the practice of the MSQ questions. Okay, because most number of questions available are MCQ. In MSQ, the questions available are least, guys. Okay. Now I'm quite sure that you will be hitting this question. Now let me check that who can do this fastest. Okay, who can do this fastest, guys? Come on. Whenever the load dispersion rate is not given, what you will taking 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal. Okay, in soil mechanics, whenever it is not given, so you will be taking 2 vertical into 1 horizontal, guys. Okay, so a square footing of size 3 meter into 3 meter is placed on a sand and gravel layer at a depth of 1.5 meter. Okay, it was put at a 1.5 meter. Okay, below the sand, a layer of normally consolidated soil of thickness 3 meter is present. Okay, that is the clay. That is the clay. Okay, now initial effective stress at the mid of clay. Mid of clay means, so from here 1.5 meter below. From here 1.5 meter below. What is the sigma bar P? What is the sigma bar P? Tell me. It is 18.5 into 1.5. Okay, the building was not made there. Plus, after that, gamma W is given. So, not given, we will take 9.81. So, 20.5 minus 9.81 into 4.5 plus, after that, 17 minus 9.81 into 1.5 into 1.5. What is the value coming? What is the value coming for this? What is 18.5? Jaldi se calculate karo and let me know the value. Is it coming? Is it coming, guys? 86.64. Is it coming 86.64? So 86.64 means this is correct. Now the building is done. So what is the increase in effective stress? So increase in effective stress will be P by A, but what will be the area here? What will be the area here? Okay. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So this is 3. So this will be 3. This is 3. So from here to here, this will be 3. Now with 2 vertical, it is 1 horizontal. So from here to here, how much vertical? 4.5 and 1.5, 6 vertical. Okay, guys, for 2 vertical, we are going 1 horizontal. So from here to here, how much vertical? This is 4.5 and this is 1.5. 4.5 and 1.5. So 6 vertical. So 6 vertical means 3 horizontal. So this is 3. Okay, and this is also 3 from here to here. Similarly, from here to here, it is 3. So what is delta sigma bar? Force, that is 1100 upon area. So area is 3 and 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3. And that is square footing, na? So that side also 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so what is the value coming? What is the value coming? Please tell me. Jaldi se bata do bhai. 13.58. 13.58. Give me yes or no. Okay, A, B, D. Arvind is saying. Arvind is saying A, B, D. Okay, A, B, D Villas. Okay, others guys, I want to know that who can do this fastest. I want to know that who can do this fastest, my champions. Everyone, please let me know. Come on. Come on. Okay, now total settlement will be, okay, total settlement के लिए वैल्यू क्या, अच्छा ये दे रखा है. So delta H is equal to CC H naught 1 plus E naught log sigma naught bar plus delta sigma bar into sigma naught bar. Oh, what is sigma naught bar? This is sigma naught bar. कहाँ गया? This is sigma naught bar. This is delta sigma. So sigma naught and delta sigma you know. CC is given. H naught is the height of the layer whose settlement we are finding out. Okay. So total settlement of the clay whose settlement we are finding. H naught will be 3. E naught is 1.2. So from here the delta H value how much you are getting? Please check. Are you getting 51.74? 51.74 C. So answer will be A, B, C for this beautiful question, guys. Okay, the questions are very conceptual here, guys. That is why the cutoff is not 7 out of 10. Okay, don't get demoralized if you are not able to solve, guys. 5 out of the 10. Oh, sorry, 5 out of the 10 questions. Yes, correct. 5 out of the 10 questions we are solving, guys. You are on the right direction. Come on, everybody. Yes or no? Understood the concept? Let me be a little side. Understood or not? Everyone understood? Keep sharing, guys. Okay, now foundation. This is the level of questions that we have come up with today. Guys. Excellent, guys. Let me check that who can do this. Okay, this is the figure, guys, and these are the values given. Okay, now C dash is 35. Okay, C dash is 35. That is give kilonewton per meter square. Phi is 28.63. Okay, gamma sat is 19. Gamma sat is equal to 19. Gamma bulk is 17. Gamma W is 18. Gamma W will be 9 yaar. Gamma W is 9.81. Okay, any other data required? Okay, 4 meter wide strip footing, 4 meter here it is given. Okay, at a depth of 1.8 meter below the ground surface. It is at a depth of 1.8 meter below this is ground level, 1.8 meter below. Okay, water table is at a depth of 5.8. So water table is at a depth of 5.8. Now, everything I have written here. Okay, first of all, guys, this will be a local shear failure. Why local shear failure? Why this will be a local shear failure? Can anybody tell me? Why this will be a local shear failure? Because phi is less than 29 degree. Okay, phi less than 29 degree. So it will be a local shear failure. Of course, that is why the different values are given. Now we have to do tan phi m is equal to 2 by 3 tan phi. Okay, tan phi m is equal to 2 by 3 tan phi. So tan phi m is equal to 2 by 3 tan 28.63 tan 28 tan 2 by 3 tan 28.63. From here the phi m value you are getting, go those students who have not done this question, this is very important for them. Phi m is equal to 20 degree. So whatever the formula we are using of Terzaghi na, whatever the formula we are using for Terzaghi, the NC, NQ, N gamma are written for 20 degree. NC, NQ, N gamma are for 20 degree. That is 17.7, 7.4 and 5. Okay, the formula we use in local shear failure, guys, when phi is less than 29 degree, it is local shear failure for sand. In that case, rather than phi, we have to use the NC, NQ, N gamma for phi m, not for phi. Not for phi. Okay. Okay. Now, A and B, ultimate bearing capacity is asked and the net safe bearing capacity is asked. Okay. So, guys, the QU value, this is a strip footing, na? So, we don't have to use any shape modification factor. We don't have to use any shape modification factor. So, it is CM into NC, okay, CNC plus QNQ only, NQ dash of course, and here also NC dash, half B gamma N gamma dash. NC dash, NQ dash, N gamma dash are these values. Okay, C, in case of local shear failure, we don't use C, we use 2 by 3 of C. That is 2 by 3 of 35. Okay, 2 by 3 of 35 we use. NC dash is 17.7. NC dash is 17.7. Okay. Now, moving further. Plus Q. Q is the load here. Okay. Q is the load here. Water is not there. Water is not. Guys, in fact, water will not be coming now because we only go up to B depth below. That is 4 meter. Water is at the great depth. So, we don't have to do anything with water here. Now, Q is the load here. So, load is, what is gamma T? 17 into 1.8 into Q. That is 7.4. Tell me fast. Tell me fast. Plus half B gamma N gamma. Half 0.5 into 4 into gamma. Gamma in this region is again bulk. 17 into 5. So QU value, the ultimate bearing capacity, you are getting as 809.38. 809.38. So 809.38 means B is correct. Sorry, C is correct. Okay, so what is QNU? QNU is QU minus small q, that is gamma DF. So 809.38 minus gamma DF. Gamma is how much? Gamma bulk 17. 17 into 1.8. Okay, ये इधर नहीं दिख रहा. Not visible clearly. Not visible clearly. Okay. This is correct. Excellent question, guys. Excellent question. Now let me do here. What is QNU? QU minus small q. Small q means gamma DF. Okay, small q means gamma DF. So what is QU? QU we have calculated as 809.38. 809.38 minus gamma bulk. Gamma bulk is 17 into DF. DF is depth of foundation is 1.8. How much is this QNU coming? 778.78. 778.78. And what they have asked? Net safe. So what is QNS? It is Q net ultimate by factor of safety. The net ultimate value you are getting as 778.78. It is 778.78. Okay, 778.78 divided by factor of safety will be given somewhere, yaar. Will be given somewhere. Will be given somewhere. Kahan gaya? Acha, 2.5. Okay, so this is 2.5. So from here the value you are getting as 311 point something. 311. And here what is given? 341. No. So answer will be B and C. Answer will be B and C. Okay. Guys, can you please tell me on the comment box that how many questions you have done correct till now? I know, guys, the real students will be going till the end because the questions are here challenging. Okay, you want easy questions on the YouTube? Guys, no, I'm not that kind of a teacher. Okay, these are the questions when you will facing the gate exam. These kind of questions will be coming, guys, actually. Okay, these kind of questions it will be coming in the gate examination, guys. Okay. Okay. Great, great, great. Any doubt? How many questions, guys, you have done correct till now? How many questions you have done correct till now? Can you please let me know? Okay. Now, there is a timber pile. There is a timber pile of length 8 meter. There is a timber pile of length 8 meter. Twi. Diameter is 0.3 meter. This is 0.3 meter. Okay, is driven in a 40 kilonewton hammer. Okay, so from here a 40 kilonewton hammer is there. Okay, falling from a height of 1.2 meter. This is falling from a height of 1.2 meter, and the 5 blows there are 40 mm settlement. In last 5 blows it is the 40 mm settlement. Use the engineering news formula. Assume a factor of safety is to be 6. Okay, choose the correct option. So what is the capacity, the safe capacity? The safe capacity formula is given by WH into factor of safety, that is 6, S plus C. Okay, S is the settlement per blow. Okay, what is W? W is the weight. कितना है W weight? 40. H कितना है? 1.2. Okay, 6. सेटलमेंट पर ब्लो कितना है? 5 ब्लोज में 40 mm हो रहा है. 5 में 40 हो, पर ब्लो कितना होगा? 1 ब्लो में कितना होगा? 8 mm, but we put it here in centimeter, so 0.8 plus C. Okay, this is the formula. This C is a constant. This is the formula. Now for drop hammer, now if I want to write, this is the formula now for C, for drop hammer. Okay, for drop hammer the value of C, I am also very poor in remembering the formula, it is 2.5. Okay, and for steam hammer it is 0.25. Okay, 2.5 and 0.25. So by putting the value of C for the steam hammer and the drop hammer, the answer you are getting as 242, and for this it is steam, it is getting 761. B and D. Many of you remember the conventional formulas of pile. Okay, that for clay it is QP and QF, CNC and alpha C and all these formulas, alpha CAS, CNCAB. Okay, but the question can come from here as well, na yaar. The question can come from here as well, na. Okay. Give me yes or no. Everyone till now, any doubt? Please ask me, guys. Please ask me. Come on. No doubt. No doubt. Then we shall move forward. We shall move forward then. Okay, keep sharing, keep sharing. Now 7th. Okay, non-homogeneous soil deposit consists of a silt layer. Okay, there is a silt layer, and this is sandwiched between a fine sand layer at the top. Okay, this is soil 1. Okay, thickness is, let it be H1, and the permeability be K1. Okay, for the second layer, that is silt, this is the second layer, the thickness is H2 and permeability is K2. Okay, and then at the bottom there is a clay layer. Okay, and a fine sand layer at the top and clay layer below. So clay is here, clay is third layer, this is H3 and it is K3. This is H3 and K3, correct? This is H3 and K3, correct? Correct. Now ratio of the equivalent horizontal permeability and vertical permeability is asked. ratio of equivalent horizontal permeability and vertical permeability is asked. Now that some data are given. Permeability of the silt layer is 10 times the permeability of clay layer. K2, the permeability of the silt layer is 10 times the permeability of this, 10 times of permeability of clay layer. Okay, and the permeability of clay layer is 1/10 the permeability of sand. K3 is 1/10 the permeability of sand, that is K1. Now from here guys, everything let me convert in K1. Okay, so K3 is this, K1 is of course equal to K1, and K2 is equal to 10 times of K3, and 10 times of K3, if you put K3 as 1/10 K1, okay, so 10 into 1/10 K1, so K2 is also equal to K1. K2 is 10 times of this. Okay, so both will be same here. Of course they will be same. K2 and K1 and K2. Okay, but I am saying K1 is, wait. Permeability of silt layer is 10 times the permeability of clay layer. Permeability of silt layer is 10 times the permeability of clay layer. Correct. 10 times the permeability of the clay layer, and 1/10 the permeability of sand layer. Okay. And K2 is only, this is K2 only. K2 only is 10 times of clay and 1/10 of this, and 1/10 of the this. Now K1 will be equal to K1, of course. Now K2 is 1/10 times of K1, and K3 is, if I put K3, K2 is 1/10 K1, K2 is 1/10 K1, K2 is 1/10 of K1, 1/10 into K1, so K3 is 1/100 of K1. Okay, so all these are written in terms of K1 only. K1 also in terms of K1, K2 also in terms of K1, K3 is also in terms of K1. Got it? Got it everyone? Give me yes or no. Okay. Why we are writing everything in terms of 1? Because when the formula we are writing, it can be easily cancelled. Now I talk about height now. H1 height के लिए क्या लिया है? The thickness of the silt layer, that is H2. The thickness of the silt layer is 2 times the thickness of sand layer. H2 is 2 times the thickness of sand. Okay, the thickness of the silt layer is 2 times the thickness of the sand and 2/3 of the thickness of clay. H2 is 2/3 of the thickness of clay. So here also I am writing everything in terms of H1. H1 is equal to, of course, H1. H2 is equal to how much times of H1? H2 is equal to 2H1, and H3 if I write in terms of H1, so H3 is equal to 3/2 of H2. Okay, so H3 is 3/2 of H2, and instead of H2 if I put 2H1, so from here H3 is equal to 3H1. H3 is equal to 3H1. Got it? Got it? Jaldi bolo everyone. Now apply the formula of K horizontal and K vertical. Okay, when you apply the formula, of course now the things will be cancelled because everything I written in terms of K1, everything I have written in terms of H1. So what is the answer you are getting now? Please check the answer you are getting as 10.9. Please check, are you getting answer as 10.9? Please check. Okay, the process you have understood. The process you have understood. Correct? Correct? Everyone? Everyone, tell me, come on. जल्दी बोलो. किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं? ठीक है, भयंकर क्वेश्चन करेंगे भाई. Here the water level is this. Here is this. What they are asking? Calculate the average velocity and the flow. Okay. Estimate the rate of flow. So Q is equal to K into H into NF by ND. Correct? Now, what is K? This is the K. This is K. What is H? H, K value is 2 into 10 की power minus 5 centimeter per second. What is H? Is 10 meter. Okay, what is NF? Number of flow. So water can go from here, can go from here, can go from here, can go from here. One is this, between this and this, between this and this second, this and this third, and this and this fourth. Okay. So NF is equal to 4. And drop they have already given 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And any way you go, it will be 14. So what is the Q value from here? By putting NF is equal to 4 and ND is equal to 14, H and Q is given, U value will be 0.0071 centimeter cube per second. 0.00171 centimeter cube per second. Okay, so that means B and D can be correct. Now velocity they are asking. They are asking now velocity. They are asking now the velocity. They are asking now the velocity. Hit them with velocity now. Hit them with velocity now, guys. Come on. कहाँ है? हाँ. V is equal to Ki. Okay. So K is known. K is known ना guys. K आपको पता है. Okay. K is 2 into 10 की power minus 5. I is H by L. Okay, so length up to that point is 1.2. Okay, length is up to one point is 1.2. What is head? What is the head? Total head is 10. Okay, but that 10 head is dropped in 14 intervals. 10 head is dropped in 14 intervals. So length is from here to here. Okay, it's like speed is distance by time. So distance you have written, then time also you write the same thing now, for which distance is given. So here H is for length is for this. So H also you will write for this now. This H is equal to 10 meter is for the whole system. Length is only given this. So H also you write only for this. So total H is 10. But here it is divided into 14 drops. So from here to here head loss is 10 by 14. Total head loss is 10. So that I is given, K is given. From here the velocity value you will be getting this one. B option. Got it? Everyone guys, come on. Come on. Give me yes or no. Come on friends. Come on friends, everyone on the comment section. Okay. Now 9th question guys. This is the same that we have done. So you can take this as homework and comment on the comment. Okay, because same question we have given. Okay, let me tell you the answer also if you want. Let me tell you the answer also if you want. Okay, because the same type of question we have given. ABD will be the answer. ABD will be the answer. AB de Villiers. Let me again confirm. AB. कहाँ गया? Yes, AB de Villiers. Okay. 10th. Chalo guys, last question. Hit it guys. And after this I'll take your report. How many you have done correct? Okay, sample of clean sand. This is the ground level and from here the sample is taken. Okay, when the sample was taken from 7 meter below, the sample was taken 7 meter below, the sample has been under a horizontal load of 270. Okay, this is 270 and a vertical load of 175. Okay, and shear is also given, my God. Shear is given 83.5. Okay, now if the angle between the vertical stress and principal stress is 70 degree, calculate the angle of internal friction. So guys, sigma x, sigma 1 is sigma x plus sigma y by 2. Okay, that is 270 plus 175 by 2, sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square. 270 minus 175 by 2 whole square plus tau x square, it is 83.5 square. Okay, so what is this value coming? This is 318.56. Now let me take the minor one. This is the same value. Okay, same value minus this same value. Okay, so sigma 3 you are getting as 126.43. Okay, so when we draw now the Mohr circle like this, so this major one is 318.53 and minor is 126.43. Minor is 126.43. This is the center. Now this is sand, so the failure envelope start from origin. Now this angle is phi. So what is sine phi? This is perpendicular. Perpendicular is this minus the radius is 318.53 minus 126.43 by 2. This is the radius. Sine phi is perpendicular, this distance. This is the radius. So this minus this diameter by 2. Correct. Upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse this distance. This is the center. So center will be 318.53 plus 126.43 by 2 plus 1 writing देख लेना. So from here this statement का कोई मतलब नहीं होगा. So 5 from here will be getting us 25.9 degree. 25.59 degree. That is option number B. That is option number B. Any doubt? जल्दी से बोल दो. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. Any doubt? No? Shall we move further then? 10 तो हो गया. Okay. So अब ना एक बार स्कोर बताओ यार जल्दी से. स्कोर कितना है? देखो इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में हमारे विजन कोर्स आर अवेलेबल. ओके, फ्रॉम विच वी आर टीचिंग फ्रॉम 0 लेवल. ओके, and guys, if you want to enroll in the BYJU'S, then guys, on 24th of December there is a free scholarship test in our app. Free scholarship test in our app. Okay, there is a free scholarship test and you can give this test and get up to 90%, 80%, 70% discount depending upon your score. So guys, please do attempt. Even if you don't want to enroll in BYJU'S, guys, still you can give this test, because this test for free of cost will be giving your all India rank, guys, among the civil engineering students. And guys, the mega mock challenge, this is again on app, guys. The mega mock challenge that is running from 16 to 22 December. What is this? That the students who are not able to afford the test series, then we have made the test series for them. Subject wise test, full length test, exactly as gate pattern. Now 16 December to 22 December, exactly 65 questions, 100 minutes and 100 marks and 180 minutes, exactly like gate, for free of cost. Of course, after that we will be providing solution. Okay, so you can give this test, guys, from 16 to 22 December anytime, full length test. Okay, and guys, this is my app free series where I'm teaching complete OCF at 3:30 p.m. Okay, so this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. Already 5,600 students have joined. You can also join, guys. Thank you all, guys. And for the question number 9, please let me know your answers on the comment section, guys. Can you tell me the cutoff I have decided was 5 out of 10? Sorry, 5 out of 10. Okay, so how much you have scored? We have done 9 questions, 1 is homework. How much you have scored? How much you have scored, guys? Okay, guys, 4 Arvind. Okay, so it is actually 4 out of 9, hai na? It is actually 4 out of 9. Okay, great, guys. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Take care.